Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the environment and gear so the sound is predictable. First, reduce noise. Turn off fans, phones, and HVAC or move them beyond 3 meters. Once done, set your recorder to 48K HZ and 24-bit. This gives headroom and fidelity. Make sure you attach a 1/2 condenser or an external lavier and position it 6 to 12 inches from the mouth with a pop filter. This prevents plosives and captures clear, direct sound. Next, you refine capture with gain staging and technique because bad levels ruin takes. Start with the gain low, then speak at performance volume while watching meters. Aim for peaks around -12 to -6 dB so you have headroom. Make sure to monitor through closed-back headphones to catch noise and sibilance in real time. If you hear harsh S sounds, angle the mic slightly off-axis or back up a bit. This smooths the tone without losing presence. To finish, you validate and secure the session so nothing surprises you during edit. Record 2 or 3 test takes and listen critically for clipping, background noise, and overall tonal balance. If the bass is muddy, engage a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz. Once levels and tone are good, lock settings and take a reference tone or slate. If you still have issues, systematically troubleshoot. Swap cables, change batteries, or reposition the mic until the problem disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.